In the video that this comment was left on, I defined the Great Furry All-Mother as the most recent shared ancestor of all living mammals, also known as crown group mammals. And I want to clarify, no specific species or individual in the fossil record has ever been identified as the Great Furry All-Mother, but simply because of the way this concept is defined, we know she existed, and we can make certain claims about her. We know from DNA that all mammals are more closely related to each other than any of us is to any non-mammal, which means that we know that there is a common mammal ancestor. We also know that all modern mammals lactate and have fur. That means it is very, very likely that we inherited those traits from the Great Furry All-Mother, compared to how very unlikely it is that we all independently evolved them separately. But that doesn't mean the Great Furry All-Mother was the first animal to have those traits. If you trace the larger mammal family tree, starting with where we split from our last common ancestor with, say, lizards, you start to see recognizably mammal traits almost immediately, but it takes a very long time for these animals to start looking like mammals as we know them. So there were absolutely animals outside of crown group mammals that had hair and nursed their young. Now, unfortunately, neither of those things fossilize as well, so we don't know exactly when they each evolved. Hair seems to have evolved first, but we do know for almost certain that the Great Furry All-Mother had both traits.